What are the latest updates on the Nigerian work permit visa? Have the visas started coming out? Like, are they being renewed or are they not being renewed? Are new visas being approved or they are not being approved? What are the latest information with regards Nigerian flights? Like flights from Nigeria to UAE. Have the flights started coming in from Lagos to Dubai, from Abuja to Dubai? What are the latest information with regards to the visit visa for a Nigerian male who is under 35 years of age? Are the visas coming now or they are not yet coming? These I will be explaining in a while. Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel and thanks for stopping by today to watch my video. In today's video we'll be discussing three very important issues that is affecting us. But before I go ahead, I would like to sympathize with as many of us that are undergoing some challenges. You know, a lot of us lost our jobs as a result of the COVID, as a result of some of the rules that have been put in place by the United Arab Emirates government. You know, so some of us have lost our jobs. Some of us, we are having visa issues. We are having overstays. We are having abscond. We are having blacklist, and these require money to fix, you know, and even the funds to fix this, majority of us do not even have the funds to fix this. And then the very few of us that even have the funds to fix this do not even have the opportunity to get it fixed because some visas are not being approved, you know. So it's really a very bad situation, and I really feel for everyone going through this process or going through this situation rather. And I hope and I pray that in due time this time will pass away and every of the issues that we might be going through would be cleared. Like, we will conquer it, and at the end things will work out well for everyone and this stage will pass. I hope this will come to pass very soon. Okay, let's get started for today's business. Is the Nigerian work permit visa being approved? That is a very huge question. Basically, there are no updates for now apart from the fact that some visas are actually being renewed. Yes, this is not message, this is not rumor. Really, some visas are actually being renewed, but not all visa types are being renewed. Some categories are coming out, but not all categories are coming out. So I really do not know the criteria they are using for this, but what I know is that some visas are being renewed while others are not being renewed. In as much as it was stated that some categories like category 1 and 2 and 3 can renew, while other categories cannot renew unless they have attestation on for category number 3. It's not really the case, because really I don't know what is going on. Some people, their visas are being renewed. I just do not know the criteria, or if it is just mere luck. Some people's visas are really coming out, while others is still being rejected. Their visas are not being approved. And as per the new visas, like a new work employment visas, the new work employment visas for mainland is still basically not coming out, but for the free zones and people that want to go for partnership visa, it is really coming out. The visas are being approved, although many people would not want to go for the partnership visa because they believe it has some disadvantages. You know, it has a disadvantage that then if you get a partnership visa, it means you are basically working for yourself, and what if you don't have anything doing that you can do to put food on your table, to take care of yourself, and then they went ahead to say you cannot get your serial card. Being the male, as a man having this visa type, you cannot get a serial card, knowing that majority of the men here in the United Arab Emirates who are freelancers on their own visa are always doing this event security job, which requires the Syria card. So this is actually discouraging people from buying the partnership visa. But of course, then they can also go ahead and go to free zone office. Like, be bold. Go to free zone office. Tell the free zone, please, what are the companies that you have under you that are granting visas to Nigerians? What are the vacancies available? Maybe we can apply and see if we will be recruited for it. It doesn't necessarily mean that you have to purchase your own visa, which is really what is scaring most people. You know, they are scared of being on their own visa. But then you can also go and work for a free zone company. So if you are very, very eager and particular about getting a new visa, what is going on right now is the free zone visa and the partnership visa. For the renewal is only coming out for some people, but it's not coming out for some people. But for all female Nigerians, their renewals are coming out. Like, it's coming out, there's no disputes, there's no rumor about it. Their visas are being renewed. Did I say there are? Our visas are being renewed automatically. Okay, so the second discussion, our second point is, what about the situation about the flight updates? Before now, everyone was thinking and hoping on the Emirates Airlines, especially when they made announcement that the airline will start from November 11 to start picking passengers from Lagos, Nigeria to Dubai International Airport. But as it happened, 11th came by and passed, and it has been postponed to yet another day, which no one knows when it will be, or if actually it is going to it's going to be effective. Like, whatever date they put in place is going to be effective. But we just have to keep our fingers crossed, or we try other options, because basically there are other airlines that are flying from Lagos, Nigeria to Dubai International Airport here in the United Arab Emirates, and they include the Egyptian airline and the Kenya Airlines. These two airlines are flying from Lagos, Nigeria to Dubai International Airport. I'm not really sure about the prices, but it should be about 1,800 dirhams to 2,000 dirhams. I'm not really sure, guys. I'm only just speculating. Like, this is how the price is supposed to be, or how it's supposed to be. So if you are in a hurry to come to the United Arab Emirates and you are not too keen on coming with the Emirates airline, please do go ahead and book your flight with the Egyptian airline or with the Kenya Airlines, and then you can fly back to the United Arab Emirates. Okay, and then thirdly, with respect to the Nigerian male who is under the ages of 35 and wants to come to the United Arab Emirates with a visit visa. Before now, we had restrictions on them, that a majority of them, basically that it was closed, that it wasn't coming out. But now there are some changes. You know, some of the visas are being approved. For a 35 years old male, or for a male who is below 35 years of age rather, some of their visas are being renewed, their visas are being approved rather. I really do not know the criteria, so I'm going to be frank. I really do not know the criteria they use for approving some of the visas and rejecting some of the visas. I do not know, but I'm just bringing to you the information. But I am still carrying out research, and if I get more information, I'm going to pin it in the comment section here in this video. But if it takes longer than 72 hours that I get information about this kind of visa types, the criteria for which is being used for renewing the visas, then I'll have to make another video. So these are the information that I have, and I thought it would be wise to share it with you, because in every of the videos I make, people keep asking me, Diamonds in Nation, what are the updates on Nigerian visa? What are the updates about our flights? What are the updates about the Nigerian under 35 male who wants to come to the United Arab Emirates for visit visa? And I keep postponing, I keep postponing replying them. I was like, okay, I will make a video very soon, and they keep disturbing me when. So basically, this video is for everyone, just for you to get to know the latest updates on the happenings. So this is just it. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you're watching my video for the first time, please kindly click on the notification button below after you have subscribed to my YouTube channel. This will help you to get more notifications whenever I make a new video, especially with information regards like this, so that you will be the first to know. United Arab Emirates is a country where laws and rules are being changed all the time, and information keep updating all the time. So you need to be on top of your games by clicking on the notification button down below. This way, if I have any new information about visa happenings here in the United Arab Emirates, about flights happening here in the United Arab Emirates, like flights that are going to and fro, about jobs, everything here in the United Arab Emirates, I will always make a video and update you guys, and you guys will be the first to know because you clicked on my notification button. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. For my old subscribers, come on, thank you guys. I always love saying thank you to you guys because you guys are the ones making it happen. So keep on making it happen, keep on sharing this video with your friends, keep on spreading the word, keep on spreading the love, and let us grow this community as we are heading to 2,000. Yeah, we are heading to 2,000 subscribers, and with you guys on my side, we can do it. Thanks, bye.